Like the last couple of mornings, we're starting Christmas Day off with quite a bit of fog from the Delta into the valley, even up into parts of the foothills. Here's another view for you. This is Fairfield. Normally we could see 80 here off in the distance, and you can just barely make out a couple of headlights, but visibility here is down to zero, less than a quarter of a mile. So if you are traveling this morning, be ready to take it slow. And of course, don't forget those headlights. As Aaron mentioned, even though it is daylight, those headlights help the other cars see you. The fog is going to hold temperatures in the low 40s for the next couple of hours for most, but later this morning into the afternoon, we'll start to see some sunshine, and that'll start to bring the temperatures up. But here's a broad view of the visibilities. Again, all through the valley, a quarter mile or less, much improved as you go up into the foothills. There may be some areas in the high Sierra where we get some of the freezing fog, especially where the snowpack is at its deepest. So there may be some pockets of some trouble up that way. But the satellite picture is nice and quiet, not really picking up on that low cloud cover because the temperature of those clouds pretty close to what we're seeing at the ground, but you can see some high clouds starting to move in over the Bay Area. And those will increase later this afternoon, but today overall clearing, more sunshine later on today, and then late tonight is where we start to see some of those clouds work in, but even Monday looks nice and quiet for right now. Highs this afternoon just a couple degrees higher than where we were yesterday, so overall a nice feel, especially without any wind. Temperatures will be in the upper 50s to low 60s in the valley. Near 60 in Auburn and Placerville, even into the low to mid 50s up in the Sierra. So if today is a ski or snowboard day for you, should be some great conditions. Although again, watch for some fog up along some of those peaks with that warm air over that chilly snowpack. Futurecast here showing again some scattered clouds, the fog eventually lifting out. That's as we go through the day on Monday. Mix of clouds and sun throughout the day, but this is 8 p.m. on Monday. This is our next storm system that's going to be coming through. And for now, it looks like the bulk of the heaviest rain and the strongest winds come very late Monday night into early Tuesday morning. So a heads up if you are going to be traveling on Tuesday. This is what you're looking at. This is 2:30 a.m., so this is still very late overnight. There will be some flooding on some of the streets, especially in some urban areas. There may be some ponding with some of those leaves. Make sure your gutters are clear, of course. And then we've got the wind to deal with as well. Now, as far as the snow goes, snow levels will be starting Tuesday morning up above past level, but that will be coming down through Tuesday afternoon into the evening. Bottom line, if you are planning to travel anywhere around Northern California on Tuesday, we are expecting things to be tricky. We're considering this an impact day for that widespread rain, 1 to 2 inches in the valley, and some gusty winds for everybody in Northern California from the valley up into the Sierra. Yes, there will be accumulating snowfall in the mountains as well. That's something we can iron out as we go through the next couple of days, but we are expecting some pretty good accumulations, especially Tuesday into Wednesday once that snow level starts to drop. So Aaron, it's quiet for Christmas. That's great. But for anybody that's doing some traveling between Christmas and New Year's, it may start to get tricky.
And wet here in Northern California.
Yes.